The good news is that both types of lavender are relatively low maintenance plants once established. Both require plenty of sunshine, both need well drained soil, and both dislike sitting in waterlogged conditions. In fact, poor drainage is one of the most common reasons lavender plants fail. Many gardeners assume lavender needs frequent watering, but mature plants are surprisingly drought tolerant. A sunny position with free draining soil will often produce healthier plants than a heavily watered bed. Pruning is also important. Regular trimming helps maintain the neat shape and encourages vigorous growth. And with proper care, both English and French lavender can become long-lasting features in the garden.